students, listen carefully. We were discussing about photoelectric effect. Full stop. Finished. Problems? Yes, we'll discuss later on. Doctors, we have completed photoelectric effect. We have finished problems of photoelectric effect also. No problem, right? Now, I am having two categories of students in front of me. Both of us having a concept or Bohr's atomic model, hydrogen spectrum, photoelectric effect. Today, I am trying to do something with respect to all these three discussions. So basically, Bohr's atomic model and photoelectric effect. Because of these two things, I try to do something different, right? And luckily, we are having a slightly longer class, so we can enjoy more amount of discussion this time. Come on. I am starting from the beginning concept that let us go back to Bohr's atomic model. There, in that model, we have said that electron has particle character. That has been established in case of Bohr's atomic model. And then people have some objections, and then there was some problem. Therefore, we switch over to some other discussion, right? Uh, and then we said, sir, we have some problem with respect to Bohr's model, and we have discussed applications of Bohr's atomic model. Now the question is, when we have completed the photoelectric effect, in photoelectric effect, the theoretical part, which we have completed, we have justified one statement that one photon can release one electron from the metal surface. Listen carefully. One photon can release only one electron from the metal surface. Now the question is one photon. Who is that fellow? Radiations. Right? What is the type of mode of movement? Wave motion. So photons are having radiations and they propagate in the form of waves. Okay. Come on. The other side of the photograph is when one photon is made to fall on the metal surface. When one photon is made to fall on the metal surface, remember that one electron comes out. One electron comes out. This implies whenever we are talking about electron coming out, it is having particle character. And photon is having wave character. When we are discussing one photon, it is wave character. Electron, it is particle character. Why? What is the reason that one photon is necessarily useful to have emission of only one electron? If you are goes on discussing in this manner, you can understand, yes, sir, there must be some relation between wave character of radiations and matter which has mass. To understand this, let us go back slightly to Mr. Einstein. What he said, E is equal to mc square, right? When people are trying to understand E is equal to mc square, they realize that there is some relationship between energy and mass, right? Energy and mass, there is some relation, right? Energy is propagating in the form of waves, but he said E is equal to mc square. That means whenever you destroy mass of m unit, you have production of energy is equal to emc square. Then people try to say, why don't you reverse the situation? That then when energy is having particle character, why don't you say particle character can also have particle system, or matter can also have wave nature, right? That means when Einstein is saying that energy and matter, energy, wave nature, matter, particle nature, when they are supposed to be interconvertible according to equation E is equal to mc square, people started trying to say why we don't talk about reverse way, because nature always loves symmetry. Nature has a property to enjoy symmetrical behavior in all the creatures which has been done by the God. So people started, okay, come on, let us try to say, why don't you have a wave nature in the matter, in the particles, why don't you have wave nature? Right? People were thinking about this. One fellow came in front of the whole. That fellow was called de Broglie. G is silent here. It is called de Broglie. What he suggested that if you consider, he has given some restrictions. If you consider particles of very small mass, microscopic particles, and having very high velocity, of course, not equal to velocity of light. Today, I am saying like this. Today, you are hearing like that. But generations after, one or two generations, people may say, no, sir, it is possible to have velocity speed more than that of light also. We don't discuss that one here at present because we don't have that type of
रुको मैं खाली एक चीज सर्च
experience
कर रहा हूँ.
observed till now.
सर्वाइव
So when
करे
we said
कोई
if you are having particle character of very small
एक आदमी
mass
का
and
राज
very high
उससे
velocity,
कर रही है
close to that
ये
of
जो
light, close to that of light, then if you are having these two discussions, then we can say, sir,
अब
it
तो
is
ये
possible. It
माइनक्राफ्ट
is possible
सर्वाइवल
to have
लाइक इन नेदर
wave
वी
nature in
कैन
case
बी
of
स्टॉप
particles also. In case of particles
अच्छा
also.
ओहो
Right?
क्या है
Now, when we are
फगिंग
discussing this
फूड
one, Numer, I have heard and seen everything. Please just listen to me. I know better than you. I know better than you. Therefore, I am explaining systematically.
नेदरराइट
Please enjoy the game, right? Whatever left out, problems are left out. Photoelectric effect I have explained and I have said, I think you have joined late. Okay,
बिग
go
बेस
ahead. I have to do problems that is
बिग
not connected here. I am taking theory. And if suppose, for example, you are having something like that, please remember one thing that we can go to
लेकिन
Planck's
अफसोस
quantum theory.
माइनक्राफ्ट
Just
नेदर में
if you
सरवाइव
refer
करना है
Planck's
तो सिर्फ
quantum theory,
वो
you can
जो
enjoy
था
simply that we know everything, sir. Photon is supposed to have wave. That is known to us. Okay, very good. Now, once you are having this, then people say, come on, let us start a relation. What is the relation? De Broglie concept of duality. What is the double role? The double role is supposed to be something like this. Einstein, this was the first fellow, introduced dual nature of light or radiation. Light or radiation, that is, a few properties can explain on the basis of wave nature, all the properties of radiations. Listen carefully. All the properties of radiations, all the properties of light can never be explained only because of wave character. There are certain properties of light, there are certain properties of radiations which needs to be explained by taking the help of particle character. One of the beautiful explanation is photoelectric effect. Yes, once you understand this, then people say Louis de Broglie extended the concept of double role duality for any moving particle. Now, this is condition number one. Doctor's NEET examination. De Broglie's concept is not applicable for stationary objects. De Broglie's concept is not applicable for stationary objects. The particle must be moving, right? Nature loves symmetry. If mass energy symmetry proposed by Einstein is present, definitely in waves, why not the same symmetry exist for matter also? Take care of this beautiful way of enjoyment, the subject of science in nature. If mass energy symmetry is present in waves, why not the same symmetry should exist in matter also? Yes, for that purpose, de Broglie stated that any material particle matter such as electron, see the mass, electron, proton, neutron, molecules, not moles, only molecules. Molecules, those particles are collectively known as microscopic if they are having very high velocity, possess both particles and wave character or wave nature under suitable conditions. What is the meaning of suitable condition? Velocity should be high enough, not low, right? Now, for that purpose, suppose, for example, if you are just imagine a situation that a bowler is just throwing a ball, which is a macroscopic body, heavy body. And when the bowler is throwing the ball will never have wave type of motion. The ball is never having wave type of motion. It is supposed to have trajectory motion. On the same scenario, suppose, for example, you, sir, I want to throw the electron. Yes, go ahead. If you are throwing the electron, just imagine with very high velocity, then what happens? No, sir, electron will follow wave character. Electron is having particle. Yes, it is already established from Bohr's theory. Now we are saying, no. Along with along with particle character, we are also having wave character. Double road duality does not mean to say a 10 o'clock particle character, a 10:10 wave character. No, both of them are present at the same instant of time. That is known as duality of matter, but not for all. Condition number one, microscopic body. Condition number two, it must be in motion. The characteristic wavelength. Now, when it is electron is in the form of wave motion, The wavelength of particle, that particle which we are calling microscopic particle, is independent of its nature. Nature. कौन सा nature? Whatever be the nature, negative particle, positive particle. No, no, sir. We don't talk about that one. What is it dependent? The wavelength depends upon mass. What is the mass of particle? Wavelength depends upon velocity. What is the velocity? Or you people can say that depends upon momentum of microscopic particle. Wavelength of microscopic particle is dependent only upon momentum of the particles, that is mass and velocity. It may be positively charged body, it may be negatively charged body. For example, consider a moving particle of mass small m, moving with a speed v, which must be close to that of light, and producing matter waves. Now, what is the name of this? Matter waves. Earlier you said light waves. You said radiation waves. Now you are saying something different. What is that? You are saying, sir, it is supposed to be matter waves. Yes. Once you are having matter waves, there will be some wavelength. This wavelength, be careful, be careful. This lambda is wavelength of matter waves, and that lambda is wavelength of light waves. E is equal to hc by lambda. E is equal to hc by lambda, applicable for only light, only radiation. E is equal to hc by lambda is not applicable for matter. Then what to do? Let us talk with de Broglie. He will give you some idea for matter. How to proceed? E is equal to mc square. Einstein says left hand side energy, right hand side matter. He is relating particle character with wave character, right? On the same path, this fellow said E is equal to h nu. Who? Planck's quantum theory. H nu? No, sir, hc by lambda. Left hand side, here also we have energy. Left hand side, here also we are having energy. On these lines, what de Broglie suggested that, why don't you equate these two parameters? Because it is equation number one is explaining matter, mass, character, particle nature. Here we are having radiations, wave character. Since left hand side we are having energy, therefore mc square is equal to hc by lambda. C and this square cancelled, and then we can say if suppose this velocity of our particle which we are discussing, such as these fellows, electron, proton, neutron, molecules, gas molecule, etc., it is equal to, if it is close to that of light, then we can say yes, lambda is equal to h by mc. No, no, sir, not mc, mv. If it is so, lambda is equal to h by mv. You know it as momentum h by p. Now see here, lambda is equal to, if energy is equal to hc by lambda, no, not applicable for particles. E is equal to mc square, not applicable for waves. Are you able to understand the point? E is equal to mc square, don't apply for waves. E is equal to hc by m lambda, don't apply for particles. When you combine them, yes, when you combine them, you have a resultant equation, lambda is equal to h by mv. This is applicable for particles, and this wavelength is known as matter wave. This is wavelength for matter waves. Lambda is wavelength of matter waves. This lambda is wavelength of radiation waves. H is Planck's constant, same for everything. M is mass of microscopic particle which must be in motion, right? H by P. This is known as de Broglie's equation. This is known as de Broglie's relationship. Okay, go ahead. Mass of particle, velocity of particle, wavelength of matter waves, momentum of particle, Planck's constant. Now, it is applicable only for microscopic particles in motion. Then you have an objection, sir. Why it is not applicable for microscopic? Okay, let us enjoy this smart fellow. He is known as Mr. de Broglie, right? Now, the question or the objection from your side is, sir, why don't you go for macroscopic bodies? Go ahead, no problem. Apply de Broglie's equation for cricket ball. Apply de Broglie's equation for a car. Then what will happen? Remember that when we are discussing in this case, as mass increases, is it not inversely proportional? Yes, sir. Mass and lambda inversely proportional. So if you increase the mass, cricket ball as compared to electron, car as compared to electron, sir, mass is very high, lambda is very, very, very low. So much low that it is not significant. You cannot measure that one. Therefore, people say that de Broglie's equation is not applicable in case of macroscopic bodies. It is applicable only in case of microscopic bodies. In case of heavy objects, there is no use of using Mr. de Broglie. Therefore, de Broglie's equation and his concept of double rule is applicable only when you have two conditions. Number one, there must be microscopic particle. Number two, the particle must be in motion. All right. Lambda is equal to h by mv, h by p. This implies as mass increases, lambda decreases. What is this lambda? This is wavelength of matter waves. Hc by lambda, this is wavelength of radiation wave. This is wavelength of light wave. Okay. Bohr's atomic model. Now, once you understand this one, job is over. Up to this discussion, we have enjoyed Mr. de Broglie. Now, those students who are sincerely trying to compare the rhythm of the syllabus, Bohr's theory, what is the difficulty, Rutherford's theory, what is the difficulty. If you are going to new theory, naturally you may think as a student, sir, why unnecessarily we are going to new concept? Then naturally your mind will give you answer. We are going to new concept because there is some problem with the old concept. What is the problem? The problem is, how do you know MVR is equal to N into H by 2 pi? This was the question we have created with Mr. Bohr, and he said, sorry, I cannot give any answer, but I definitely say that this statement is correct. He said like that. And people said, no, by you are saying we are not going to accept, you have to prove it. He was unable to prove that one, right? He said correctly that the position of electron can be find out. If you want to know position of electron, find out its angular momentum, MVR. If it is equal to 5 into h by 2 by, say electron is in fifth orbit. But people say, how should you get MVR is equal to 2 pi? It was the failureness, right? Because of that. But the other side of the picture is, I don't know how he got, that is his geniusness that he got that expression. Let us try to enjoy that discussion, try to match with duality and de Broglie and see something we got a very beautiful result today or not. Bohr's atomic model explains particle nature of electron. He said only one thing, that particle nature, electron should go very systematically around the nucleus at a distance of 0.529 into n square by z. Neither above that nor below that. Always at the same position, always at the same position. Right. Now, after that, once you're applying the other concept, de Broglie, what he said, no, 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 no. Particle at the same time dash. Which character? Wave character. For that purpose, let us see how to proceed. Yes, this is the behavior. Try to enjoy the way with which we are representing that. At any instant, we are having particle nature. What is the meaning of particle nature? See, this is the point. If I look at this is the point, sir, position, 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 and this is dash, wave character. We are having wave character also. We are having position character also at the same instant of time. Yes, this is the beauty of I have seen the left hand side, I have shown you this part, white part, Bohr's atomic model. This colorful part, de Broglie's idea that we are having wave character. And those who are sincerely observing the class and screen, see that one, sir, okay, okay. De Broglie wants to explain that electron is always not at 0.529, sometimes above 0.529, far away from the nucleus, sometimes below 0.529, close to nucleus. Try to appreciate that it is going away and coming close, away and coming close. That is indicating the wave character. And that was proposed by Mr. de Broglie. What is the conclusion of that? We'll discuss later on. Please write down this as it is. Turn the page. Okay. The scientist boys MPC group leave full one sheet, full one sheet, full two sheets for numerical problems. Then you write heading, de Broglie's duality concept and proceed. I'm repeating again, only for MPC. Doctors, no, go ahead, straight forward, turn the page. Right? Scientists, those who belong to MPC group, IIT group, the JL 40 and 41, full one sheet back and front, full another sheet, two sheets, you leave it for problems and then start this. Go ahead. Come on, right? write down systematically. This we can write, just draw a figure, circle and dot somewhere here, draw a straight line and draw a wave. Okay, go ahead.
पर्सनली मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, किसी और को भी बोलना है तो बोलो आप। पर्सनली है ये, और ये पर्सनली मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, किसी और को भी बोलना है तो बोलो आप। पर्सनली है ये, और ये ऑडियो आप किसी को फॉरवर्ड मत करो, ठीक है। नमाज का अगर टाइम और आपको वही है तकलीफ़ है, भाई नमाज़ छूट जा रही है या जमात छूट जा रही है, बोले तो आप क्लास को जो है वैसी लॉगिन पे रखो आप, उसके बाद नमाज़ को जाके आ दो खामोश, कोई मसला नहीं है उसमें। कुछ अगर ऐसे इश्यूज़ रहे तो पेरेंट्स से कॉल कराओ यहाँ अजीज़ सर को। अजीज़ सर एकेडमिक्स से जिम्मेदार है आपके। अजीज़ सर को जो है बात कराओ, ठीक है। टाइम टेबल वगैरह जो है अजीज़ सर और वो दूसरे फैकल्टी मेम्बर्स ही जो है ये सेट करते हैं, इसमें मेरा कोई दखल नहीं है। तो लिहाजा बेहतर रहता है अजीज़ सर से बात करें तो, और दूसरों को भी बोल दो कि कुछ भी टाइम टेबल में अगर इश्यूज़ है तो अजीज़ सर से बात करो, बोलो फ़ोन करके।
Doctors, you have a choice of theoretical questions possible here. Problems may be there, simple problems may be there for you, but for scientists, we have very interesting problems based on this along with concept. The topics after hydrogen spectrum onwards, including hydrogen spectrum onwards, is of more interest taken by examiners. Walaikum salam. अहमद मुमताज, पढ़ाना मेरा काम है, पढ़ना आपका काम है। मैं फिगर्स कैसा बना रहा हूँ ये मेरा काम है, उसको एग्जाम में कैसे लिखना वो आपका काम है। तो आपका काम आप कीजिए, मेरा काम मैं कर रहा हूँ। दिमाग आपका सब्जेक्ट में लगाइए। I am doing to create beauty in my class. It's my job to enjoy with that. Okay, very good. Shall I proceed? Is it over? Okay, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Write down systematically. This topic is conceptually and numerically very strong. Not this topic. After this, all topics of atomic structure are very profitable business. You can get good score. What, Suhail? What you're asking? आप अपने बॉडी को देखो, खूबसूरती कितनी सिस्टमैटिकली है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का अरेंजमेंट देखो, बॉडी के राइट हैंड साइड का अरेंजमेंट देखो. इसको कहते हैं सिमेट्री. Right. Shall I go ahead? Doctor, scientist, Mohit, de Broglie concept of duality of macroscopic part is negligible, but it is still present, right, in very small quantities. थोड़ा सा आप मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग में जा रहे हैं बेटा. पढ़िए, अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़िए, फिर से पढ़िए. राइट. और जो चीज है ऑलरेडी उसको फिर बोलिए मत, पढ़ लीजिए, अच्छे से समझ जाएंगे. Go ahead, no problem. Go ahead, go ahead. Mustafa, Father Mustafa. No, listen, all of you. Father Mustafa is trying to understand the figure. Sir, electrons revolve in stationary orbits. If I take a break here, Father is talking about Bohr's concept. But here in the figure, it is coming out and in. Yes, that is the new point I am trying to enjoy. Yes, we are going to understand that one only. Coming in and out, जो आप बोल रहे हैं. Yes, we are going to understand that point only. Wave character का मतलब, it is appearing to, आपको ऐसा दिख रहा in and out. It is actually moving in the form of wave, and it is appearing to us that it's going out of the circle, in the circle. Yes, you are right. What is that? थोड़ा थोड़ा सब आगे चलेगा. Shall I proceed? Is it over to everybody, doctors and scientists? Right. Come on. Now, once you're having the idea of wave character, then as this boy said, the Father Mustafa, that sir, they are appearing to move. I am changing his statement. They are appearing to move away from 0.529 if it is hydrogen, or it is coming below 0.529. Yes. Therefore, electron, listen carefully the sentence, electron spends 95% of time at 0.529, but sometimes it is beyond 0.529 also. It is available below 0.529 also. This implies we are not having exact idea of where it is located. Therefore, this concept of de Broglie has given a new era in chemistry, a new turn in chemistry, that It is wrong to say position of electron. It's not correct. Bohr's theory is now not found to be not perfect. You should not say electron is 0.529. What you have to say? Most possible chances are there for electron to spend at 0.529, but it can be available beyond that, it can be available below that. For example, in the classes, usually in the classroom, there is some habit of some students that they will come, they'll sit right hand side, second bench, left position. They'll make a habit of doing like this. In your class also, I have observed sometimes, for example, in your senior, I have a senior in senior, mass, there is a boy who comes first bench, center position. He is having habit. So it is not correct now to say that electron is always at 0.529. That means that boy XYZ is mostly sitting on the first bench, second position, but it may go sometimes to second position. It may sometimes go to other position also. That means it is wrong to say electron is available exactly at 0.529. We have to say no. Distance of electron, take care of my sentence. Distance of electron from the nucleus is 0.529 is not a correct sentence. Take care of my language. Probable distance of electron. Yes, probable. We have changed the word position of electron to probability of electron. Now science changes. What science says? Chance of finding electron, probability of finding electron. With that probability of finding electron, a new fellow come into picture called Schrodinger's equation. That we'll discuss after 2-3 classes. But now we are trying to meet some other fellow. Before going there, let me complete mathematical part. This is theoretical part of de Broglie's. The other side of the photograph of de Broglie is, come on, reality of Bohr's quantization of angular momentum. Now enjoy the beauty of subject. Sir, in case of Bohr's atomic model, you said MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. Very good. Bohr suggested that one. Next, we have objected and asked Bohr, please show me how you are getting that. That fellow said, I don't know, but I got this one. With confidence, he said, now, what is the reality of that statement of Bohr's atomic model? See here. See the geniusness of Bohr's theory. Let us take lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is wavelength. What is wavelength? Wavelength is nothing but distance, sir. Distance covered for one wave. Simple, right? Next. Total distance covered is equal to 2 pi r, circumference of circle. Okay. Now, if you are having 2 pi r, then how many waves are possible? One wave possible, sir. Two waves possible, sir. Three waves possible. 10, 20, 30, 40. 2.5 waves. No, sir, not possible. What is the meaning of that? This means to say you are accepting a new sentence today in your life. First sentence you said energy is quantized. Second sentence you said angular momentum is quantized. Now today you are saying wavelength is also quantized. Number of waves must be quantized. How many waves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.5? No, not at all possible. How do you prove that? Let us take care of this. 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. This n is equal to not principal quantum number. It is called total number of waves. Total number of waves. For example, lambda is equal to 1 wave. Suppose there are 2 waves. 2 into lambda is equal to 2 pi r. 20 waves. 20 into lambda is equal to 2 pi r. This is also distance covered. This is also distance covered. This is distance covered. Bohr's theory. This is distance covered. De Broglie's concept. That means now I am trying to have a meeting with Mr. Bohr and de Broglie. They are on a coffee table and they are shaking their hand. What is the result of that? 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. But from concept of duality, right? Once the de Broglie has taken a sip of coffee, he said 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. Lambda is equal to h by mv, and substitute that value. 2 pi r is equal to n into h by mv. Rearrange this, sir. MVR is equal to n h by 2 pi. Yes, sir. This is the geniusness of Bohr. This is correct statement. Bohr was unable to explain that, but he got it correct. Why he was unable to explain? Now the drawback of Bohr is he was not able to identify wave character. Bohr has missed the wave character. Bohr identified particle character. He missed that along with particle character, there must be wave nature also. And let me use the language. Bohr has not taken idea of Nature loves symmetry. When energy must be equated to particle character, why don't you say particle character to is compared with respect to wave nature of energy? So yes, we can get it from wave nature. So what is the drawback of Rutherford Bohr's? This is not the drawback, right? People ask, some number of books says that MVR, and this is not the drawback. The drawback is he was unable to identify wave nature. If it have been identified wave nature, he would have been explained, yes, I got it from the wave character. It was the failure nature of Bohr's atomic model that he was not able to identify wave character. He's always insisting upon one thing, particle, particle, particle. So he missed that one. Okay, human beings, no problem. It supports Bohr's assumption of quantization of angular momentum. Yes, angular momentum is quantized. Number of waves formed by electron in Bohr's orbit. Now the question comes, sir, how many waves are formed in an orbit? At that time, what was the question? Where is the electron present? Now the question is, how many waves are possible in one single orbit? For that purpose, let us take the enjoyment like this. Let de Broglie wavelength be lambda. Let number of waves made by electron in an orbit is equal to x. I am right. I have written here. Actually, I should have written x. I written n because you may be confusing with principal quantum number. Let us assume this to be as x. Before writing your notes, I'll change it. Let number of waves made by electron in an orbit is equal to n. Now, 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. Number of waves means this one, this n, right? X is equal to number of waves. 2 pi r by lambda. What is 2 pi r? Circumference. What is lambda? De Broglie wavelength. Why de Broglie wavelength? Particles, right? Next, number of waves is equal to circumference of orbit by de Broglie wavelength. 2 pi r by lambda. 2 pi r, lambda is equal to h by mv, right? 2 pi by h is equal to nh by 2 pi. See my simplification. If you cancel all this, you get left capital N. What is this capital N? Principal quantum number. What is the left hand side? Number of waves. Achha, if we say total number of waves must be equal to principal quantum number. Third orbit, 3 waves. Fourth orbit, 4 waves. Are you able to understand? Don't get confused. This n is x. यहाँ पे x समझिए. This is x. This is x. This is x. When you're substituting the value, this is all comes to be x. X is equal to n. What is x? Number of waves in an orbit. Heading, number of waves in an orbit. What is n? Principal quantum number because it is nh by 2 pi. Therefore, in an orbit, total number of waves must be equal to principal quantum number. Number of waves formed by an electron in an orbit is equal to its principal quantum number. Doctors, this is 4 marks. This is 4 marks. This is the situation. Other, come on, see that. तीन चीजें हैं, एक सर्कल है, एक बियॉन्ड सर्कल है, एक इनसाइड द सर्कल. This is Mr. De Broglie. De Broglie in between Bohr. All of them are enjoying on the coffee table like this. See here. Number of waves. 3, 4, 5. As much is the principal quantum number. So many are the waves. Large. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. जब 2 होता जरा देखिए गौर से. अब होगा. Yes. 2. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. That is the way with which we can say, sir, total number of waves in an orbit must be equal to principal quantum number. Right? चलिए, एक मिनट इसको 2 पे रोक के देखेंगे. Yes, 3, 4, something like this. फिर चलिए इधर आइए. ये हो गया. अब थर्ड डायमेंशन ऑफ डी ब्रॉली. थर्ड साइड ऑफ फोटोग्राफ तो नहीं बोल सकता. Third dimension of the de Broglie. Scientists, be careful. Now this is your role. Numerical problems. De Broglie wavelength and kinetic energy of particle. Now these are the doubts of the questions. Scientists, students sitting in my classroom. Sir, you got it. Idea. I got it, sir. I know that particle, microscopic particle have particle character, wave character. If it is so, we have momentum. If it is so, why don't you talk about kinetic energy? Yes. Here are the problems here. Consider a microscopic particle of mass m, velocity v, and kinetic energy ke. Then kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. यहाँ थोड़ा एक step jump किया हूँ मैं. Half mv square multiply by what we can say m and divide by m. Multiply by m and divide by m. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Oh. Wait a minute. I am... Now come back. Multiply and divide by m. It becomes as m square by m. M square v square momentum p square right by 2m. You know it, especially physics classes, you have done this in case of work power energy. Kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m, and if you take that one, p square is equal to 2 KEM. I have just simplified. Lambda is equal to h by mv is equal to h by p. If you substitute that and simplify, h square by lambda square and all that, you get this equation. You have to memorize it. Lambda is equal to h by under root 2 mke. Now there is one more equation with you. What is that? E is equal to hc by lambda. That lambda is not applicable here, right? I am repeating, it's the third time I am saying this one, because most of the students after completion of chapter and when they go to write test, number of times they have done, not knowingly, but accidentally it happens. Hc by lambda for radiations. All the discussion of this lambda is for particles. So lambda is equal to h by 2m ke, Planck's constant, mass of particle, charge of particle. For a given mass, if mass is constant. What is the meaning of that? For a given mass is constant. Lambda is inversely proportional to kinetic energy. Neat people, this is 4 marks. Scientists, we have a problem based on that. If kinetic energy is increased 4 times, what happens to wavelength? Doctor's question. Find the kinetic energy of electron if wavelength is given. Find the wavelength of electron if kinetic energy is given by you, right? That type of question is possible. For both of them, I am clarifying 2 different ways of questions are possible. Consider a charged particle. Now there is a question. See, I am going inside the discussion. Scientists, be alert. Be alert. 41 and 40, JL 41 and 40. If you are saying, sir, there is a microscopic particle, why don't you take a charged microscopic particle? Are you able to understand? This is uncharged body. M, anything I can take. A small, very small, say for example, molecule, helium, uncharged body, carbon dioxide, uncharged body. No, 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 no. I want to have electron, alpha particle, beta particle. Then what happens? Consider a charged particle under certain applied potential. Why applied potential? Go back to previous class. We have defined electron volt is the energy, okay, which accelerate the particle. Then kinetic energy is equal to charge into potential. Replace this. Lambda is equal to h by 2m EV. What is E? Charge of electron. No, 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 sir. I want to have any charged body. Come on, go ahead. Generally, QV. It means matter waves inversely proportional to charge, inversely proportional to wavelength with square root, right? Depends upon mass, depends upon charge, depends upon potential. For a given charged body having charge Q, may be positive, may be negative, no problem. Lambda is proportional to 1 by V. What is that V? Potential. And then lambda is proportional to 1 by M. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, write down this all systematically. I'll make this static. Not possible. Go ahead, write down. All the 3 figures are not required, only 1 figure. You take n is equal to 3 and draw something like that. 3, 4, some number in this. Go ahead. Sohail beta देख लीजिए पूरा देख लीजिए आप वो आपको समझ में because if I say go on repeating everybody who is disconnected I cannot manage the class. Please go ahead. देखिए वहां से क्या क्या लिखा हुआ इक्वेशंस. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट आई टेल यू, नो प्रॉब्लम, गो अहेड. Yes, it is correct. Here when you are writing this one, all of you please listen. यहाँ x लिखिए, यहाँ पे x लिखिए, कहाँ पे, नंबर ऑफ वेव्स की जगह पे यहाँ पे x लिखिए, एक जगह यहाँ पे x लिखिए, बस ऑटोमेटिकली आपको n आ जाएगा. ये n में, ये n में. I actually written as bold here. Make it x and then here it is only two places, x here, x here. What is x? Number of waves must be equal to principal quantum. Go ahead. Sohail, are you able to understand? Tell का मतलब. Should be, we should take NH MVR is equal to, we are applying concept of Bohr's theory to understand, therefore we have to apply quantization of angular momentum. Indirectly we are saying that the equation proposed by Bohr was absolutely correct, but the problem is he has to say wave nature is also present. He missed that point. यहाँ देखो सुहेल, प्लीज प्लीज देखिए, यहाँ पे जरा देखिए, सब स्टेप्स है बेटा, डेरिवेशन है ना, कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, स्टेप्स है, देयर ऑल स्टेप्स अवेलेबल. सी, kinetic energy, this one you are asking, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. I have multiplied and divided by m, it becomes m square v square by m. I have made it p square. थोड़ा इसको देखिए आप, ये डेरिवेशंस हैं, ये समझ में आएगा आपको. आई थिंक यू आर एमपीसी स्टूडेंट, JL 41, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. थोड़ा सा इसको गौर से देखिए. 2m के ई कैसा है, यहाँ देखो सब, यहाँ पे p स्क्वायर बाई 2m है, p स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 2m a, बट लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h बाई m b इज इक्वल टू h बाई p. जब मतलब जहाँ p रहा वहाँ पे h बाई लैम्डा लिखेंगे, जहाँ p स्क्वायर है वहाँ पे h स्क्वायर बाई लैम्डा स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. ये डेरिवेशन है, आप आराम से समझ सकते हैं. particles, microscopic particles. यहाँ सब है ना बेटा ऊपर, यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको, और शुरू से मैं वही बोलते आ रहा हूँ। आप बीच में मिस में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बीच में मैं आपको शुरू से वही बोलते आ रहा हूँ कि डी ब्रॉली का कॉन्सेप्ट किसके लिए एप्लीकेबल है, दैट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग। आप ऐसा मिस क्यों कर रहे समझ। Suhail, I think you are using mobile data to listen the classes. Is it so? फोन का मोबाइल डाटा यूज कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हैं बेटा। पूरे आपको 500 रुपीज खर्च करना चाहिए, जियो का रूटर लेना चाहिए छोटा सा, बड़ा लिए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है 1300 का, अदरवाइज छोटा सा रूटर लीजिए, आपकी लाइफ का मसला है। रूटर में चार्ज करके अमाउंट 199 जो भी होता मिनिमम, आप जो फोन पे लगा रहे उस पर लगाइए, नो सच प्रॉब्लम विल बी देयर, नो सच प्रॉब्लम विल बी देयर। वो फोन का तो फैक्ट इट इज ऑलवेज अनसर्टेन, इतने महीनों से फोन पे पढ़ रहे हैं बोले तो इसका मतलब है इट्स रॉन्ग। You should purchase the router. All of you should have one router. Shall I proceed? Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Done. Go ahead, go ahead. Those who are not written, go ahead. Complete and then tell me. There is no P, beta. Where is P on the screen? K is different, P is different. K लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे. It's not P, Abrar. It's K. Yes. लिखो, कागज पे लिखिए, आपके पास नोटबुक में रफ साइड में लिखो, K is equal to half mv square. उसके बाद नीचे लिखो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई m. मल्टीप्लाई बाई m, डिवाइड बाई m, क्या हो गया? गॉट इट? हाँ, आप लोग मैच्योर हैं बेटा, ओरली 3-3 वक्त बोलते वक्त में कैच कर लेना उसको, इतना सिंप्लीफाई करके नोटबुक में लिखो कर, वो यही चले गए आपके, आप लोग आप हायर लेवल पे हैं. You are at higher IIT classes means you are at higher level. Shall I make a move? Is it over? Okay. Done. Chaliye. Now, come to the remaining story of Mr. D. Brawley. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, hurry up. Come on. Now, I am having another case. Suppose, for example, you are discussing, sir, I am having applied potential, right? Constant potential. Potential is same. Then lambda depends upon m. See this equation. Lambda is equal to h by under root 2 mqv. Now, in the examination, that fellow can keep m constant or char constant or potential constant. Case 1, charge constant. This is the answer and conclusion. Case 2, potential constant, lambda proportional to 1 by under root m into q. More is the mass, less is the wavelength. Again de Broglie, yes sir, macroscopic bodies के लिए applicable नहीं है. If you have more charge, again lambda is less. ठीक है. The favorable condition is smaller should be the mass, smaller should be the charge. Doctors, favorable condition for de Broglie, smaller the charge, smaller the mass, more is the favorable condition for de Broglie wavelength. For example, lambda helium 2 plus by lambda H11 protium, mass of the particle, charge of particle. ये homework है आपका. चलिए, consider charge particle to be electron. If suppose, अब तक तो ठीक है सर, आप बोल रहे थे generally charge particle, but my affection is towards electron. Let us try to enjoy the electron. चलिए ठीक है. Lambda is equal to, if you substitute that one, कहाँ substitute करेंगे? Go back, see here. Lambda is equal to h 2m. What is m? Mass of electron, 9.11 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Q, charge of electron, coulombs, right? 1.60 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Applied potential 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, जो भी दिया हुआ है. If it is given to you, then consider charge particle to be electron. Then if you simplify all those numbers, lambda in angstrom, take care of this shortcut. Scientists shortcut, lambda angstroms is equal to under root 150 by v under root whole. No sir, ऊपर से निकाल लीजिए. 12.27, ये आपको याद रखना है. 12.3 याद रखिए. But please be careful. This is not for any charge particle. This is only for electron. Only for electron. ऐसा बुक्स में प्रोटॉन के लिए भी है, आपके अल्फा के लिए. But I am not a parrot type of teacher. I want to have conceptual teaching. So ठीक है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के बारे में याद रखेंगे बिकॉज इट इज अ कॉमन पार्टिकल अवेलेबल. अच्छा, इससे हटके एक चीज है, ये आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, फिर भी मैं बता रही, ये आपको आगे समझ में आएगा व्हेन यू कंप्लीट gaseous स्टेट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट वन. ऐसा छोड़ दीजिए इसको, ये मत लिखिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. लिखते हैं, वेरी गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज द एंड ऑफ de Broglie's concept. So conclusion is what? Because of the consideration of de Broglie, he concluded that if you are having microscopic particles, means particles of very small mass and very high velocity close to that of light, it is possible to have particle character along with wave nature. That type of wave is called matter wave. That wave is known as matter wavelength. That lambda is given as h by mv or h by p or momentum, right? That is applicable only in case of microscopic particles. With that, we can calculate lambda for different type of cases. Take down up to this 12.27 root p. ये मत लिखिए, ये आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. It is, you can understand after gaseous state. वहाँ पे इसकी हम बात करेंगे. Take down that. Then we go for problems. Anybody from Olympiad section available in IIT? Saeedur Rahman, you might have done this equation for gas molecules, kinetic energy equal to 3 by 2 nRT. ये चीजों में आपको पढ़ाए होंगे वहां पे. फिर हमको जनरल सब के लिए बात करना है, तो ये जब हम गैस स्टेट में आएंगे देन विल डिस्कस. The 12.27 is applicable only for electron. होना है तो एक वक्त बाजू फिर से लिख लीजिए, बॉक्स के साइड में फिर से लिख लीजिए. I have created a question, you have to give answer for that one. Abdullah Suhail, उसका आंसर आपको घर में करना है. कैसा करना है? ऊपर देखना है. 1 by mq root of mq by root of mq. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल लेके उसको सॉल्व करके इक्वेशन लाके उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके उसका नंबर बोलना है. ठीक है, Is it over? Right. Yeah, leave it, leave it, leave it. No problem. Don't write third point. Leave it. Is it over? Thank you. Come on. Now come to this one. I have to make smaller screen. चलिए, यहाँ let me correct it first. यहाँ मैं x बोल रहा था. Right. That is over. चलिए. Now come to question. Before solving the question, because what he said, Abdullah Suhail, sir, what to do with lambda h? Let us take that also as a problem. I will solve it here. Problem number is 00 because it is 01 here. ये question कर रहा हूँ मैं. Lambda of helium 2 plus by lambda of H11. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Protium. This is called protein. क्या करना है? Nothing, sir. Mass of helium. Wait a minute. Mass and charge of helium 2 plus inversely proportional. Mass and charge of what? Hydrogen, protein 11 and dash. Now, since it is a ratio, ये इसलिए कर रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ बताने का reason क्या है? Since it is a ratio, I don't want to substitute the real value. What I have to substitute here, see the method of substituting in ratio. Mass of proton, 1 unit. Charge of proton, 1 unit. Mass of helium, 2 units. No, 2 units. Proton, 2 units. Neutron. Total how much? 4 units mass. कैसे लिखते हैं आप हीलियम को? ऐसे लिखते हैं. ये मास है 4 units. Charge 2 plus. Job is over. Go ahead. Shall I proceed? Is it over? Yes. Numair, any doubt? Sibghatullah, any doubt? You are raising hand. If you have a doubt, please write down. Question number 1. Two particles A and B are in motion. Okay, no problem. A and B. If wavelength associated with particle A, lambda A, is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 8 meters, calculate the wavelength. Yes. If momentum with particle B, if its momentum of B is half momentum of A. You people are genius. Come on, hurry up. Go ahead. Go ahead. What is that? According to Mr. de Broglie, lambda is equal to h by p. Lambda A by lambda B is equal to h is constant. Momentum because of B, momentum because of A, momentum of lambda of B. I want answer. Here, lambda of B is equal to dash. चलिए चलिए चलिए. Ten power minus 7. Question number 2. An electron beam emerges from an accelerator with kinetic energy 100 electron volts. Find its de Broglie wavelength. Okay, now in such type of questions, you have two choices. Both are acceptable. Substitute like this. Simple equation, 2m But this Ke must be in terms of joules. This must be in terms of kilogram. This will be in terms of meter. But there is a problem here. The problem is this one, electron volt. You can convert it very simple, sir. 1 electron is equal to 1.6 to 10 power minus 19. But in place of that, suppose if you are saying kinetic energy is equal to 100 electron volts, if you remove this E, it becomes voltage is equal to 100 volts. Remember this. Just remove this E. If it is E, along with E, energy, electron volt, energy, volt, potential, remove that one. If it is so, lambda per electron in angstrom is equal to, what was that you said just now? 12.27 under root given voltage. Go ahead. Over. Now question number 3 is homework. Because fourth is similar to 3. I'll do fourth and you do third. Fourth is this one. He says kinetic energy is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 25 joule. ठीक है. Calculate wavelength. For what? Electron यहाँ miss है देखो, right? It is missing here. Kinetic energy for electron. He has to say that one, that it is applicable for electron. चलो ठीक है. If it is so, how to proceed? Very simple, sir. We'll proceed like this. वही मैं दो तरीके बता रहा हूं आपको. एक है substitution like this. दूसरा क्या है? Kinetic energy is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 25 joules. अब ये joules को क्या करना है आपको? You have to convert, sir. We know that one electron volt is equal to 1.602 10 power minus 19 joules. So 1 joule is equal to this divided by this one. So kinetic energy is equal to how much? 3 into 10 power minus 25, right? This is divided by 1.6 10 power minus 9. minus 9. अब ये क्या हो गया? इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट हो गया. यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट का ई निकाल दीजिए. वोल्टेज इज इक्वल टू 3 by 1.6 into 10 power -25 ये ऊपर चला गया, -90 becomes +90 हो गया -6. Then this is V. अब lambda in angstrom is equal to क्या था वो 12.27 by under root ये नंबर लिखिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, आंसर आएगा. इट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंगस्ट्रॉम. अब यहाँ देखो मीटर्स में है, चेंज इनटू मीटर्स और नैनोमीटर बनेगा. गो अहेड, come on. Yeah, or you can do like this, simply substitute the values. Let me substitute here also. I'm substituting, I'm not going to calculate. 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by under root 2 into mass of electron 9.11 10 power minus 31 into kinetic energy 3 into 10 power minus 25. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Is it finished? Take that question number 3. Exactly similar thing. Try it at home. right? Good. Madhuddin, 10.10 okay, right, you are right. Shall I proceed? Is it over? Come on. Now this question is that the third question, third part of the this one, which we have said, don't write this one. The gaseous state chapter connection is there. In advanced problem, they'll combine two chapters together. So that is that question. So I make it red. Let us see whether this is suitable for you or not. 13.6 electron volt is required for ionization of hydrogen atom. An electron in hydrogen atom is very good, excellent problem. Make a star on this problem and see carefully. See how you have to enjoy this question. Question number 6. 13.6 electron volt is required for ionization of hydrogen atom. Not necessary, sir. We know it, right? We have done this, that ionization energy of hydrogen atom. Go back to your previous classes. Of hydrogen atom is equal to 13.6 electron volts per atom. Yes, we have done it. An electron in hydrogen atom in its ground state. Okay, okay. This is hydrogen atom. This is the nucleus. And this fellow is dancing somewhere here. We follow Bohr-Scott concept. Now, ground state absorbs 1.5 times as much energy as minimum required for its escape. I'm reading again. An electron in hydrogen atom in its ground state absorbs energy, absorbs 1.5 times, okay, 1.5 times as much energy as minimum required for it to escape. What is that? Ionization energy. Okay. ठीक है, चलिए कोई बात नहीं. Find wavelength of the emitted electron. Okay, okay, okay. This electron is coming out. If it is coming out, there will be some kinetic energy, and if it is kinetic energy is there, there will be some wavelength. He's asking that wavelength. कैसा करेंगे? Very simple, sir. Suppose, for example, if I had see the figure carefully, then I can conclude one thing. What is that? Sir, energy absorbed has to do two jobs. Job number one, removal of electron. And job number two, yes, kinetic energy of electron. अब हमको ये पूछा गया, अच्छा ये कितना है? This is 1.5 times ionization energy. What is this energy called? Ionization energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy is equal to, is it correct? Yes, take this that side, take common and then proceed. Half into 13.6 electron volts. That is 6.8 electron volts. This implies potential corresponding to that is equal to how much? 6.8 volts. बात खत्म हो गई. Lambda is equal to electron 12.27 by root of 6.8. Answer dash. चलिए. Okay, very good, very good. Sahel, right. Is it over? No problem. 9 Murtaza, it's correct. What is that name? Maz. Muzammil. Okay, fine. Muzammil, correct. Next. Only 2 answers out of 87. Start when the class started, 100. When problems started, ran away. Why? We are Muslims. We don't want to do hard work. फ्री में, फुकट में, सदक़े में, ज़कात में माल मिला तो खाने की आदत है, मेहनत करके खाने की आदत नहीं है. चलो ठीक है, आई डोंट केयर जो है. नाइस, गो अहेड विद देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. वेरी गुड नाइस, फाइन, नाइस. अदर मुस्तफा, ठीक है, कोशिश करो बेटा. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Calculate the mass of photon of wavelength 3.6 angstrom units. क्या क्वेश्चन है? Mass of photon. Sir, what is this? What is this? There will be a strong objection from your side. Mass of photon. Sir, photon, you said packet of energy. Yes, on that day I said packet of energy. Now I am saying energy has particle character, particle has energy character, double role. As you are saying, electron is having wave character, photon is also having particle character. Therefore, remember that I think in our notes we have one sentence. अहमद मुमताज 4070 10 पावर माइनस 10 बेटा गलत है. 4.7 10 पावर माइनस 7 है. थोड़ा सा चेक कर लीजिए. चलिए, in the notes I said mass of rest mass of photon is 0, but photon is never at rest. Photon is in motion. When you are having motion there will be some mass because momentum. कैसे करेंगे? कुछ नहीं करेंगे सर. डी ब्रॉली के पास जाएंगे, उसको बोलेंगे भाई तेरी इक्वेशन क्या है जरा बता दे. लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू एच बाई एम वी. वी वी कैपिटल आ गया तो पोटेंशियल बोलेंगे. चलिए ठीक है. व्हाट इज लैम्डा? 3.6 एंगस्ट्रॉम. नो 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 नो, मीटर्स. व्हाट इज एच? हेलो मिस्टर प्लैंक. 6.625 छोड़ दीजिए. 10 power minus 34 by mass of photon. I don't know. Velocity, yes. Velocity of photon, I don't know. Can anybody help me in your class? What is velocity of photon? Can anybody help me out of 86? 14 बच्चे भाग गए. Abrar is saying 3 10 power 10. Excellent. Speed of light, very good. Rahman Atif, nice. Speed of light, Jasim, very good. Excellent. Right. Nice, nice. Mohammad Khan, 310 power. अच्छा, यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? MK सिस्टम. MK सिस्टम में बोलेंगे. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Asaduddin, you are right. Go ahead. Where is power? Mumtaz, Ahmed Mumtaz. Where is power? Which power? There is no force, there is no power. I think you are in physics classroom. Please come to my class. I am Arif Hashmi, physical chemistry. No force, no power, only speed. Chale, is it over? 6.6 10 power minus 33. 6.6. चलो ठीक है अब्दुल्ला सोहेल बिकॉज वहां पे 6.625 इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस तो नहीं आना. लेट अस वेट बाय समबडी एल्स. एनीबडी एल्स? Sohail is saying, Abdullah Sohail is saying 6.6 10 power minus 33. If power is okay, then fine, 6.6 ठीक है, ठीक है. लेकिन कैलकुलेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ है क्योंकि 3.6 और 3 मतलब क्या करें आप इसको 10 बना लिए शायद. अच्छा 3.6 into 3 is 10.8. उसको मिनिमाइज 6.2. वेरी गुड चलेगा. अब यस ओके राइट करेक्ट. गो अहेड नाउ. Please go ahead for question number 8. I will not give any hint for that one because you people are genius. Hurry up. Yes, okay, Hadar, go ahead, go ahead. Right, go ahead for next question number 8. PM is picometer. Picometer means 10 power minus 12 meter. 10 power minus 12 meter. So do in SI units, 10 power minus 12 meter को हम PM बोलते हैं, picometer. Anybody requires help here? टू 2.424 मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा 10 पावर माइनस 10 मीटर आ रहा है. ठीक है सही है बिल्कुल सही है. उसको आप 242 बनाइए 10 पावर माइनस 12 हो जाता. राइट मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा यू मेक इट 242 तो यही आंसर आएगा. 10 पावर माइनस 12 होगा. इट्स करेक्ट. रेहान अली 242 के आगे पीछे कुछ है बेटा? 10 पावर माइनस 12. अच्छा पीएम में डायरेक्ट बोल रहे हैं आप आंसर. ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम. वेरी गुड. fine. 0.0224 meters. नहीं, something you have done mistake somewhere. नहीं होता. So he'll check your substitution properly. Somewhere there is a mistake. The other students are getting properly. आप कहीं power में गड़बड़ करें. Yes, very good. Other Mustafa, nice. चलिए, come to question number Abdullah Suhail. Check your simply आपका substitution check करो बेटा. You are getting number correct, but आप कहीं गड़बड़ करें powers में simplification में तो power में mistake था. Check करो. Your number is correct. 242 is correct, but the problem is 0.0224 ठीक है. अच्छा 224 आ रहा है, वहाँ भी गड़बड़ है. एक काम करो, उसको टेंशन मत लो, राउंड ऑफ करो, करेक्ट आंसर लिखो, छोड़ दो, क्लास के बाद फिर से रीचेक करो. ठीक, डोंट टेक टेंशन. इसमें और ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होगा आपका. जस्ट लीव इट. यही मेथड. सी दैट वन. रिमेंबर, साइंटिस्ट्स लिसन केयरफुली. ऑलराइट, whenever you are in the examination hall, attempt question first time, second time more seriously. If you are not getting properly, don't take tension. Leave the question, encircle the question, leave the question, go to next question. उसी के पीछे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट नो प्रॉब्लम, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट नो प्रॉब्लम, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर यू, वेरी हार्मफुल. जितने ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट आप करेंगे टाइम वेस्ट होगा, वो तो ठीक है होगा, बट योर मेमोरी एंड योर स्किल्स विल कम डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ टेंशन. चिड़चिड़ाहट जिसको बोलते हैं ना, आपका थिंकिंग पावर कम होता. तो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट, एनसर्कल, गो अहेड, बेकार क्वेश्चन है बोल के आगे बढ़ना उसमें. चलिए, निहाल 10 power minus 12. You are right. You can make it as 242 10 power minus 12. That is called PM. Question number 9. Question number 9 is a very beautiful question. JEE Main. IIT Mains, and that to be which year? No, not given. Mains examination. चलिए ठीक है. Doctors enjoy this question. Those who are aiming for aims, they should be perfect in mains. With what velocity? Okay, velocity. Electron, ठीक है, should travel so that its momentum of electron equal to that of photon. Okay. ठीक है, of wavelength, lambda for wavelength is equal to 5200 angstrom. Bekar question है sir, very simple. What is momentum of electron? Who is electron? Particle. Yes. Photon, light radiation. Lambda is equal to h by mv. Lambda is equal to h by mv. Mv is nothing but p. Therefore, p is equal to h by lambda. Okay, job is finished. Mass 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 into velocity, my job 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by lambda 5200 into 10 power minus 10. Velocity is equal to dash meters. Chaliye, go ahead. Abdul Rahman, who are you? Junior or senior? No, no, beta. No one has informed. I said no classes till Monday for you. These people are lagging back. Therefore, I have taken additional class. Right? If possible, tomorrow I may take again for them. But you people already, we are at the edge of syllabus. Monday we'll meet once again, inshallah. And timings I'll tell you because we have again combined class for doctors and scientists in case of senior. Today we don't have class for seniors. We are having only class up to 3:30 for juniors only. Seniors will meet on Monday. Nice. وإياكم. 1390 1400. ओके चलेगा. इमादुद्दीन, सईदुर रहमान 10 raised to 3 चलेगा. No problem, no problem. Very good, excellent, excellent. Nice. Chaliye. Now the last and fair ball of the whole story of Mr. De Broglie. Question number 10. Very good. Beta Sayyid Sufyanuddin. Very long answer you are getting. 10 power 7. 10 power 7. बहुत बहुत गलत है. याद रखिए आंसर सिस्टमैटिक होना. सिस्टमैटिक. चलिए है. I think you are having some problem with units. Okay, no problem. Question number 10 is, of course, IIT questions, and that to be IIT advanced type of question. I'm avoiding it. 11th question, and that one is final question for today's class. This is a very beautiful combination of concepts. De Broglie wavelengths. Find De Broglie wavelength. In first Bohr's orbit, n is equal to 1. First Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. Very simple. How to proceed further? He's asking wavelength of electron. Once you say, don't read all these things, wavelength of electron, lambda is equal to h by mv. Finished, right? Now, electron in which orbit? First orbit of hydrogen atom. Come here. Go back to your notes. Find the formula for the velocity. 2.18, 10 power 6 centimeters, right? Into z by m. Just check up. Go back to your notes and then find out the velocity in meters. Substitute here and go ahead. Chaliye. Open up your notes. Go to the formula for velocity. Substitute. Check up. Those who have written notes properly. Come on, come on, come on. Go ahead. Ahmed Mumtaz. Sorry, beta. Sorry, beta. I don't believe on that one because just now I have started the question. And how could you get that answer? Ahmed Mumtaz, ये third time हुआ है आपके साथ, right? आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं बेटा. previous one. What previous one? Which one is previous one? Previous one का आंसर गलत है बेटा. 330 नहीं, बोर्ड देखिए और स्क्रीन देखिए. 242 किधर है, 332 किधर है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपका? छड़ी चाहिए क्या? देखो पहले आंसर देखो, वहां पे देखो बेटा, आराम से देखो. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम बोल रहे हैं 1400 है प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम का आंसर, आप बोल रहे हैं 10 पावर -10. कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, कब की बात कर रहे हैं? इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज डोंट कम टू माय क्लास. वो क्या लिखे फिर आप? 3.2 10 पावर -10 क्या लिखे? 1400 क्या लिख रहे हैं? व्हाट इज दैट? आर यू राइटिंग सिंपली आंसर्स? क्या लिख रहे बेटा? 1400 बोले, उससे पहले 3.32 10 पावर -10 बोले. वो किसका आंसर है बेटा? वो टेन में किसी को नहीं बोला बेटा. 10 में किसी को, शायद आप इंग्लिश में समझते नहीं है. मैं 10 बोला, IIT एडवांस का है, कोई नहीं करेंगे वो क्वेश्चन, छोड़ दे के बोलिए. 11 को आया, ठीक है. आंसर लिखने की क्या जरूरत है भाई? आंसर 11th की बात चल रही है. खैर छोड़ो, निकालो, बेकार है आपसे बात. प्लीज बिहेव लाइक ए स्टूडेंट. प्लीज बिहेव लाइक ए स्टूडेंट. यू आर बिहेविंग लाइक a small kid. You are a matured scientist or doctor. So please enjoy करो क्लास को, सिस्टमैटिक करो. Come on, 11th question. We are discussing about 11th question. 9th question is long back finished. Unnecessary waste of time. 3.33. अब्दुल्ला खानी बेटा, वो पूरा नहीं लिखना, ठीक है. कैपिटल ए लिख दो, ठीक है. वो एंगस्ट्रम है, एंगस्ट्रम, ANGSTROM. वो लिखना नहीं, वो स्पेलिंग की जरूरत हमको नहीं है, सिर्फ कैपिटल ए लिखो. लेकिन 3 आ रहा है, चलेगा चलेगा, एक्सेप्टेबल है. वेरी गुड. कैपिटल ए लिख दो, काफी है उतना. 3.33 कैपिटल ए एनफ, ठीक है. यूनिट्स के फुल फॉर्म नहीं लिखना, ये एक रूल है यूपैक सिस्टम में. CM, PM, NM ऐसा. तो एंगस्ट्रॉम भी कैपिटल ए लिख देना, काफी है, ठीक है. वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज दिस? मोहम्मद मुस्तफा, दिस इज नॉट द आंसर बेटा. ऐसा आंसर नहीं लेते आपको, ना हम दे सकते ना ले सकते. एग्जामिनर -1 देता. 2 पाई इंटू 0.529, वो कौन सा किस्सा है, कहाँ से उठा के लाए? यू आर गोइंग इन रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. यू हैव टेकन 2 पाई r, वो रॉन्ग है. सईदुर रहमान 3.35 10 पावर -10, एक्सेप्टेबल. वेरी गुड. आप कुछ भी कीजिए बेटा, यू आर यूजिंग एनी इक्वेशन, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. यू गेट करेक्ट आंसर, ओके. जरूरी नहीं है, याद रखो. इमादुद्दीन, वट एवर मेथड यू आर अप्लाइंग, आई विल एक्सेप्ट इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप कर सकते, आराम से कर सकते. सिंपली आई विल चेक द आंसर. आई एम नॉट इंसिस्टिंग दैट यही मेथड से करो. यू कैन यूज अदर मेथड आल्सो. यू आर राइट, आपका आंसर सही है, चलेगा. वेरी गुड. मोइस 3.52, थोड़ा सा बढ़ के, चलो चलो, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Right, very nice. That is what we call as de Broglie's concept. We have learned the concept, we have enjoyed the equation, and we have got all the problems. We have a new concept that we'll discuss on Monday. Thank you a lot, and thanks a lot for your calm and quiet enjoying the class. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you enjoyed the class today nicely. Tomorrow, just inquire whether exam is there or not. Please check it up. Bye.